Alright, so we're at school. We're walking Miss Daisy Lou Who back to her classroom. So we're going to go see her teacher. What's your teacher's name?
Scott.
Huh?
Miss Scott.
You think she's going to like your hairdo? You want to take your jacket off? No? Okay. Let's see. Here we go. For the big reveal. I'm going to stand behind you with the camera, okay? Oh. Okay.
What's up with your hair?
Tell her your name. Say Daisy Lou Who. She's from Whoville.
Whoville?
Yeah. All right. You can go in your class. Here's your bag. Here's your bag, Miss Daisy Lou Who.
Whoa, you get Daisy!
Oh, Daisy, I love it! Mrs. Scott's gonna go get bows in her hair.
Flip off!
You are adorable. You are so precious.
You're so sweet.
Everybody say good morning, Daisy. Look at Bella.
Oh, how
Do
cute.
you want to get your picture together? That'd be cute. You two are friends.
How
If you
cute.
wanted to, you didn't need to. Look at Mommy.
Right here.
Look at Mrs. Ross. All right, kids.
How cute. Daisy and Bella Lou Who.
Oh,
Y'all have a good day. Bye. Bye, baby.